hi to everybody. Say hi. Puppy. Alright. Let's get you inside. Come on. Go. Woo! What a cute puppy. Alright, so today I'm doing a review on the beers that I bottled. So you've got the California Ale one, Irish Ale one. I used the beer gun for these, and and I'm excited to see how they turn out. If the carbonation level stayed kind of just if I'm getting all the flavors, because now they would have been sitting on the keg if I was home and taking drafts of it. They would be sitting for about 2 weeks now after brew days. So all the flavors should be kind of where they're at, and it should be fully matured. So let's crack into one. All right, we'll do California Ale yeast first. Carbonation level didn't seem like it was. I mean, it's definitely still there, carbonation level wise. Not as much as I would like. It doesn't have as big of a frothy head, but the head is like dark chocolate colored. I don't know if you can see that, but this one's still not getting as much. I'll be curious to compare it to that one, but I feel like a lot of the aromas kind of muddled down. Yeah, I mean, I'm still getting a slight hint of chocolate, but nothing substantial. Puppy, what are you doing? All right, well, let's go in for a cheers. Cheers. So this one, definitely still dry, but it's kind of rounded out. You're still getting a decent amount of chocolate, and I'm getting a little bit of honey now, but it's still very good. Easy drinking beer, which is nice. I really am enjoying this. Yeah, that's really good. All right, so we're gonna crack into this one, Irish Ale. That one definitely had a lot more carbonation still left in it. Oh yeah, still the same about. I'll be curious to get back home and see what the draft ones are like, and see what kind of head they're bringing out. So this one was the one that finished less dry. It finished with a higher final gravity than the California one. This one didn't need the blow-off tube. This one's it's weird because originally this one was how do I say it? It was like really strong smelling in terms of chocolate, but it's kind of dulled it down. That one brought it up a little bit in terms of the smell compared to what it was, but they're right about the same. And so in terms of the carbonation level, I'm actually pretty happy with how the beer gun worked. Oh, I forgot to cheers. Cheers on the Irish. Yeah, this one's still more sweet. It's definitely dialed back though. You can definitely tell that these are now mature beers. I'm still getting a lot more chocolate, a lot more roasted flavor. Not as much honey as that one, but still damn delicious. I'll be really curious to get the other flavor additions I'm going to do once I try one more draft of it. But I am really pumped with this. Overall, both really good beers. So I guess this is how I'm going to be for the rest of the night. Double fisting porters. Puppies, get out of there. So yeah, so thank you for watching. I think this is going to be the kind of middle tasting, because like I said, I'm going to do one more of it when I get back and get everything on draft. So just to see if the flavors are any different than it sitting in a bottle. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Keeps me doing this, and you know, look forward to the other videos. So thanks. Cheers.